Hey, Planty people. I am here at Little Shop of Soil in Bushwick, Brooklyn, on a beautiful, crisp fall day. And I've got, speaking of crisp, a crisp $100 bill to spend. Let's go plant shopping. Come on.
Little Shop of Soil is a lovely local plant shop in the Bushwick neighborhood of Brooklyn. It's so convenient, just a half a block from the Jefferson stop on the L train. It's a bright, pretty space with a large selection of plants and tons of pottery to plant them in. Funny, I ended up getting the first 2 plants I picked up. Oh, that's a nice Philodendron ring of fire. Good price, too. But it's a really wide plant, and I don't think I have room for it. Tempting. Look at all this colorful pottery. So many sizes and styles to choose from. Begonia maculata? Maybe. Plumosa asparagus fern? Yeah, definitely. String of turtles, Peperomia prostrata? Yep, that's coming home with me. Aglaonema Pictum Tricolor? Yes, please. That's a wish list plant. Time to grab more orchid bark. It's a good way to keep soil aerated. Oh, look at these beautiful babies. Check out this cool terrarium. The ball that fits in the top is a mosaic. Man, I really love a speckle glaze on pottery. And what a fabulous color. These are so silly. They belong in a Tim Burton film. I love it. And look at this pretty pot. You know I love my pots with matching saucers. Great colors. And the ones on the shelf above are made by a local artist. So cool. This little tripod planter looks handmade too. Isn't it cute? This one is just spectacular, clearly handmade and so unique. They have a really nice selection of hanging pots. I really love this crescent-shaped terracotta one. They have a very nice selection of soil and soil additives. They carry the full range of rosy soil, even the aeroid mix. And look at all the fertilizers, pesticides, and tools. Everything you need right here. Oh hey, I should really join this soil club for 10% off today. And 25% off on my birthday? I am so down with that. Yes, I gave in and got the smaller version of that awesome green pot. I'll bet this string of turtles will look great in it. So happy with the things I found here today. Look, they sell gift cards and even some jewelry. Adam, the owner, rang me up, and here he's activating my Soil Club membership. And yes, I brought my own reusable tote bag. We went a few bucks over that $100 bill, but not too much. And look at all this wonderful stuff I got. If you're in the area, you should really stop by Little Shop of Soil. They have a great selection, super nice, knowledgeable employees, and really good prices too.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I release a new video. You can also find me on Instagram at planty.gen, where I share photos and tips as well. If you'd like to learn more about me, please visit my website at plantygenstinylandscapes.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Time for that theme song.
If your plants look sad and you've lost all hope, tried everything, you're at the end of your rope. Should you throw them out into the street? Nope, just ask Planty Jen. If you wanna be a planty acolyte, learn the tips and tricks to keep them growing right. Water, fertilizer, and the right amount of light, just ask Planty Jen.